Hi everyone. As you can see here, the car has gotten very dirty, and I mean that's inevitable. But one annoying thing with the Lynk & Co. 01 and well, actually all Volvos and Polestar is that the parking camera, it sits under there and it's fully exposed, so it gets dirty really fast. Let's see if we can see that. So you want to wipe that quite often, but you don't want to scratch the lens either. So my solution to this is to actually have a small spray bottle. So basically you can clean with this, and I think that's pretty good because then you get rid of all the big sand and small stones and stuff like that, and you get a clean camera. So another thing that's annoyed me, and it has nothing to do with the design, but I saw that my rims here, they have a small sticker on them, which seems like there's some kind of alignment, but I don't know, those stickers are pretty hard to get off, and I would have expected those to not be present at the delivery. But yeah, anyhow, so my tip for today is to clean the rear camera. Have a small spray bottle in the back, and you can sort of clean that without scratching the lens. Okay, thank you for watching.